I've millions of little skills and little tricks and tips and blah, 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 and I'm willing to share them all. Jigs are interesting because a jig's a whole different world. Because what I do is I'm in trees, you know, 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3. Bad at our 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 1, 1. It's nearly like a slow dance beat, and it's a beautiful, it's a very Dublin thing, you know. There's different, they call them, 6, 8 rhythms and all sorts of stuff when they go into other countries and but in Dublin and some places in Ireland you get a serious jig, which I haven't seen anywhere. Even Phil Lynott plays jigs, you know. Yeah, listen to his bass line, you know, often. So what I was doing there was, I learned Oscuelga, so sometimes when I learn Oscuelga, and I have to translate it and stop myself and try and impart it in the Queen's greatest technical language. What? So, jigs. So usually what I'm doing is hand, do, 3, do, 3, hand, do, 3, ba, do. So what happens is you are playing one half, the first 3 the right way around and the second 3 the opposite way around. And once you get used to that, that's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and then 2, 2, 3. They happen together, so. Right? Again, you want your pendulum working. You want that constantly going so you can rely on it. Sometimes for practice I have a cup of tea, have a fag, press the remote control, because I have to rely on that. So to do anything, that has to keep going, you know what I mean? So, handle 3, handle 3, right? But what I'm doing, I can't remember who showed me this, maybe it was Colin or Donald, is instead of going da-da-da-da, I'm doing, so 1 down and 2 up for the 3s, and that gives you a constant down, down, down beat, so it's yeah, then you know you're in Dublin, you're sucking these and you're kicking it. I can do 2 on the top and 1 down. 2 on the top and 1 up. It's a completely different feel. It's nice and light. Back in the day in your city, you go whoa, 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 That's good crack. So again, like the last one where I was saying sometimes I'm chopping in between things. Sometimes with a jig, if you get your foot kicking, what to see she is. But anyway, you can just go off and run it, go completely. So you saw me go. Oh, you have to build it up and then you can run off. You can get one part of your body run off. Oh, I missed it again. I'm taking too much. Come on. Because I'm thinking, but when you're grooving, you can't go wrong when you groove. It's as simple as that. You have to groove. That's probably why I stand, because I suppose when you're playing, the last thing I want to do is come out of a groove. If you get into a nice groove, you're really happy there. And what you're trying to do is, that's the idea, unless I'm completely missing something, which, yeah, it could happen. Cool. So yeah, I was just using my body to keep myself in there, and somehow it works. Yeah, well, that's kind of straightforward. Now that's jigs, and I haven't said everything about jigs because there is sophisticated jigs, there's slip jigs and all, but that's more Dublin style now. I'm quite happy there in that jig.